Bangladesh, a land of rivers and deltas, a country where life revolves around the ebb and flow of water. Located in South Asia, it shares borders with India to the west, north and east. Myanmar lies to the southeast. A small sliver of land connects it to Nepal and Bhutan. The geography of Bangladesh is dominated by the Bengal Delta. This is one of the largest deltas in the world. It is formed by the confluence of three mighty rivers, the Ganges, the Brahmaputra, and the Meghna. These rivers carry immense volumes of water. They originate in the Himalayas and flow through Bangladesh before emptying into the Bay of Bengal. The Ganges, known locally as the Padma, is a sacred river. It is revered by Hindus. The Brahmaputra or Jamuna is equally impressive in its scale and power. The Meghna joins these two giants. Together they create a network of channels and tributaries. These crisscross Bangladesh like arteries. This intricate system of rivers has shaped the landscape and culture of Bangladesh. It provides fertile land for agriculture. The rivers are also lifelines for transportation and communication. However, they also bring the threat of floods. These can devastate communities. The rivers of Bangladesh are a source of both life and uncertainty. They are a powerful reminder of the forces that have shaped this nation. They are a testament to the resilience of its people. Bangladesh experiences a tropical monsoon climate. This is characterized by distinct wet and dry seasons. The monsoon, a seasonal wind reversal, dictates the rhythm of life in this delta nation. From June to September, the southwest monsoon brings torrential rainfall. The rivers swell, often overflowing their banks. This flooding, while destructive, also replenishes the soil. It sustains the country's agriculture. October to March marks the dry season. The skies are clear, and the humidity drops. This is a time for harvesting crops. It is a time for festivals and celebrations. From March to May, a short pre-monsoon season brings occasional showers. The heat and humidity build. This is a time of anticipation. People await the life-giving monsoon rains. The monsoon is a double-edged sword. It brings life-giving water but also the risk of devastating floods. The people of Bangladesh have learned to live with this unpredictable force. They have adapted their lives to its rhythms. The southern part of Bangladesh merges with the Bay of Bengal. Here, the land dissolves into a labyrinth of islands, mudflats and tidal channels. This is the Sundarbans, the world's largest mangrove forest. The Sundarbans, meaning beautiful forest, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is a testament to the power of nature. It is a place of extraordinary biodiversity. This unique ecosystem is home to a remarkable array of plants and animals. The Royal Bengal tiger, a majestic predator, prowls the tangled waterways. Spotted deer graze in clearings. Crocodiles bask in the sun. The Sundarbans also plays a vital role in protecting Bangladesh from the full force of cyclones. Its dense network of roots and vegetation acts as a natural barrier. It absorbs the impact of storm surges and reduces coastal erosion. However, this fragile ecosystem is under threat. Rising sea levels, pollution, and human encroachment are taking their toll. Protecting the Sundarbans is crucial, not just for the wildlife it harbors, but also for the millions of people who depend on it for their livelihoods and safety. The Sundarbans is not just a forest, it is a lifeline for the people of coastal Bangladesh. It provides them with livelihoods, resources, and protection from the elements. Fishing is a primary source of income for many communities living in and around the Sundarbans. The intricate network of waterways teems with fish and other aquatic life. Honey collectors venture into the forest to harvest honey from wild beehives. The Sundarbans also provides timber, fuel wood, and medicinal plants. These are essential resources for local communities. However, it is crucial that these resources are harvested sustainably to ensure the long-term health of the forest. The people of the Sundarbans have a deep respect for the forest. They understand its importance. They are the guardians of this unique ecosystem. The future of the Sundarbans depends on striking a balance between conservation and sustainable use. It is a challenge that requires collaboration between local communities, government agencies, and international organizations. Section 5. A refuge in the hills. While most of Bangladesh is dominated by lowlands, the southeast corner of the country rises into the Chittagong Hill Tracts. This region is a world apart from the Riverine Plains. It is a land of rolling hills, dense forests, and cascading waterfalls. The Chittagong Hill Tracts is home to a diverse array of indigenous communities. These include the Chakma, Marma, and Tripura peoples. Each group has its own distinct culture, language, and traditions. Life in the hills revolves around agriculture. Rice, fruits, and vegetables are grown on terrace slopes. Bamboo and cane are used for construction and handicrafts. The Chittagong Hill Tracts is a place of great natural beauty. It is a region where traditional ways of life persist. However, it is also a region that has faced challenges. Land disputes and resource conflicts have led to tensions. Section 6. A nation of cities and villages. Bangladesh is one of the most densely populated countries in the world. Its people are concentrated in cities and villages scattered across the Riverine plains. Dhaka, the capital city, is a bustling metropolis. It is located on the banks of the Buriganga River. Dhaka is the political, economic, and cultural heart of Bangladesh. It is a city of contrasts. Modern skyscrapers rise alongside ancient mosques. Rickshaws weave through congested streets. Chattogram, the country's main seaport, is another major urban center. It is located on the Bay of Bengal. Chattogram is a hub of trade and commerce. Beyond the major cities, life in Bangladesh revolves around villages. These are often located on the banks of rivers or canals. Agriculture is the mainstay of the rural economy. Rice, jute, and vegetables are the main crops. Bangladesh is a country in transition. Its cities are growing rapidly, rural areas are experiencing change, yet the strong sense of community and tradition remains. Section 7. Navigating a complex world. Bangladesh occupies a strategic location in South Asia. It is situated at the crossroads of South and Southeast Asia. This geographical position has shaped its history and foreign policy. Bangladesh shares its longest border with India. The two countries share historical and cultural ties. They also have close economic relations. However, there are also unresolved issues. These include water sharing and border disputes. Bangladesh also shares a border with Myanmar. The relationship between the two countries has been strained. This is due to the influx of Rohingya refugees fleeing persecution in Myanmar. Bangladesh plays an active role in regional organizations. These include the South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, or SAARC, and the Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation, or BIMSTEC. Bangladesh's foreign policy is driven by the pursuit of economic development. It is driven by the promotion of regional cooperation. It is driven by the protection of its national interests. Section 8. Tested by nature and time. Bangladesh faces numerous challenges. These include high population density, poverty, political instability, and environmental vulnerabilities. The country is highly susceptible to natural disasters. These include cyclones, floods, and droughts. Climate change poses an existential threat to Bangladesh. Rising sea levels and more extreme weather events could displace millions of people. They could inundate vast swaths of land. Despite these challenges, the people of Bangladesh have shown remarkable resilience. They have a long history of coping with adversity. They have a strong sense of community. The government of Bangladesh, with the support of international partners, is implementing various programs. These address poverty, improve education and healthcare, and enhance disaster preparedness. Section 9. An enduring spirit. Bangladesh is a land of contrasts. It is a land of immense beauty and heartbreaking poverty. It is a land of ancient traditions and rapid modernization. It is a land of challenges and opportunities. The people of Bangladesh are known for their warmth, hospitality, and indomitable spirit. They have a deep connection to their land and culture. They are determined to build a better future for themselves and their children. Bangladesh is a country on the move. It is a country with a rich history and a promising future. It is a country that deserves the attention and support of the world. The story of Bangladesh is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. It is a story of hope and determination. It is a story that continues to unfold. Pause 3S, Scene 10, The Green Jewel of Sylhet. Sylhet, a region of stunning natural beauty, is renowned for its lush tea gardens. The rolling hills, covered in a blanket of green, create a serene and picturesque landscape. The tea gardens of Sylhet are not just a source of livelihood but also a major tourist attraction, drawing visitors from all over the world to experience the tranquility and charm of this unique region. The carefully tended tea bushes, stretching as far as the eye can see, form a verdant sea of green. Workers diligently pluck the tender leaves, continuing a tradition that has been passed down through generations. The aroma of freshly picked tea leaves fills the air, adding to the sensory experience of this enchanting place. Sylhet's tea gardens are a testament to the harmony between nature and human endeavor. They symbolize the region's rich heritage and its commitment to sustainable practices. The beauty of Sylhet is not just in its landscapes but also in the dedication and hard work of its people. As the sun sets over the hills, casting a golden glow on the tea gardens, one cannot help but feel a sense of peace and wonder. Sylhet, with its green expanses and tranquil ambiance, is truly a jewel in the heart of Bangladesh. Pause 3s. This too is part of the enduring spirit of Bangladesh, a spirit that finds beauty and purpose in every corner of the land. A spirit that continues to inspire and captivate, inviting the world to witness the magic of Sylhet and beyond. Pause 3s. Scene 11. The coastal paradise of Cox's Bazar. Cox's Bazar, home to the world's longest natural sea beach, is a place of unparalleled beauty. The golden sands stretch for miles, meeting the azure waters of the Bay of Bengal. The shoreline of Cox's Bazar is a haven for beach lovers, offering breathtaking sunsets, vibrant local culture, and a sense of peace that is hard to find elsewhere. This coastal paradise is a testament to the natural beauty and enduring spirit of Bangladesh. Pause 3s. As the waves gently kiss the shore and the sun dips below the horizon, casting hues of orange and pink across the sky, one cannot help but be mesmerized by the tranquil beauty of this place. The local fishermen with their colorful boats add a touch of life and vibrancy to the serene landscape. Their songs and stories weave together, creating a tapestry of culture and tradition that is uniquely Bangladeshi. Cox's Bazar is not just a beach, it is a symbol of the country's resilience and its deep connection to nature. It embodies the spirit of a nation that finds strength and solace in its natural wonders. As the day turns to night and the stars begin to twinkle, Cox's Bazar stands as a beacon of beauty and hope. This too is part of the enduring spirit of Bangladesh, a spirit that continues to inspire and captivate, inviting the world to witness the magic of Cox's Bazar and beyond.